Hey Savannah, how's it going?
Good.
Are we gonna make a creeper snowman today? It's gonna be so much fun. So, ran into a problem already here as far as making our creeper. The snow is really dry. They can't even make a snowball out of it. So I came up with an idea to try, and we're gonna see if we can just add hot water to the snow, give it a little bit more moisture. Hopefully it'll clump together and we can make our snowman. Okay, pour it in the water a little bit. Okay, perfect. Stop. So it looks like adding water to the snow is really helping because now Savannah has her snowball, right?
Yeah, I'm gonna make it for the creeper.
And it's moldable because it's not too cold out where it turns to instant ice. So this is what I have so far. I have my block. That'll be the body of the creeper. And I just use one of those snow block makers and just get the body.
My grandma gave that to me.
There you go. It's a good investment. So all I did was just use the piece of plywood and cut off the sides just to make sure all the sides were equal. So all I did for the head is I'm going to start off with a snowball here and then cut off the sides into that
Oh, you don't want to
recognizable square shape cube and then adjust it so that it's a little bit bigger than the head, because creepers have a little bit bigger head than their bodies, so I made a little bit bigger head to match the same. Okay, so we're working on Savannah's head now for her creeper. So we've made a snowball here, and then what I did is I just have a little bit of a cutout piece of plywood now with a beveled edge on the side here, and I'm just going to use it kind of like a chopping motion or a sweeping motion to see how it makes the snow so flat. All you need to do is all the sides now, and it will give you that rectangular look for the head. Okay, so here's our head. We're going to put it in place. And I think that looks pretty good. What do you think, Savannah?
That looks good.
Yeah.
Bigger than yours, but still good.
Yeah. So now we're on to the feet, and I have an idea. So what I'm going to do is take that same block maker, and I've packed it full of snow. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take something that's metallic and kind of smaller size. I'm just going to cut it into 8 pieces and see how it turns out. So here we go, we're going to try it out and see if we can cut it into pieces for the legs. So we should do what? 4 and 4, you think, Savannah? Or 1, 2, 3? See how many blocks we can get?
Oh, it worked! It worked! It just fell.
The good thing about ice is you can just pack it right back in and do it again.
Yeah, you don't waste any material, that's for sure. We've got plenty here.
Yeah.
Yeah, we got lots of water too.
Yeah.
And lots of snow. Look at how much I just saw.
I know, wow.
Even more. Dorothy has the...
Is your creeper going to be mad, Savannah?
Yeah, he's mad.
Are they all mad, or is there any happy creepers in the world?
They look kind of funny.
Oh.
Yeah. They have like a face that goes like... It's really funny. I wish I could actually show you Minecraft inside. Yeah, and I have unicorn mode. Yo, it's unicorn.
Living her best life.
And I'm gonna
Okay.
order a laptop
So
to
we
get
got
a different
another
Minecraft.
foot. This is going to be Savannah's foot, right?
Yeah, that's really small.
How are we going to make the faces stand out? You going to use some buttons, or?
I was thinking if I'm going to try some kind of, I don't know if we have food coloring or not, or,
Yeah, I think
or
so.
marker or something.
Yeah. Yeah,
See if we
marker
can
would
just
work
paint it
too.
right on there.
Okay, cool.
Okay, leg number 2.
Such a craftsman.
Or is that everything? It's got the head, it's got the body, it's got the 2 legs in front. We can make 2 legs in the back.
Yeah, don't they have 4?
Yeah, they've got 4.
Oh, we should color them.
Yeah, I think Daddy said we're gonna color
We're
them.
gonna color them.
But
Cute.
what we also need to do is get some black to like do all the markings that they have on them.
Okay, so here we go. We've got our 2 creepers
Creeper
fully
snow.
bodied. They've got the legs, they've got the body, and they've got the head. And now we're gonna add the faces. So probably what I'll do is I'll just trim in the face, and then we'll fill it in with marker or something like that to darken it out. How's that, Sana?
That looks pretty good. And I'm holding the camera.
So Savannah's coloring her creeper orange, or sorry, green, with a green crayon. And I just added some blue to the eyes and the mouth and nose area.
And now it's
Just give
run
it so you can see it. And there's Savannah's.
Mine isn't colored that good because I don't want my crayon to run out.
Okay, so what we did is we just have a little mason jar, some tempera
and
paint.
some blue too.
Yes.
Look at Daddy's creeper. Look at mine. Mine's horrible.
So inside is some tempera paint with water mixed, and just a standard paintbrush, and just painting it on. Grab a little bit of water, and then the ice just soaks it right up, changing the color. And we also have a black as well we're going to add to give it that camouflage type look. So here we go, starting our way to the back of the creeper now. Still working on that green, but we have plenty of green left. So what do you say, Sana? Should we do yours too?
No.
Get this stuff.
Mine is special. I worked hard on coloring it.
What do you think Adelina is going to say when she sees this?
I don't know.
You think she's going to like it? Hey, you think she's going to like it?
Yeah.
Are you still filming? You turn it off. So it's coming along. I'm getting to the bottom of my green paint. So all I did is I just touched it up, all the spots, and then for the eyes and the mouth and nose, I just went over to my black paint and went into the hole and darkened it. And that's kind of the result there. Okay, well here are the finished products. So I decided to go with the snow look on her creeper, and then I added a little bit of color to mine. So I've got the green, the black actually turned out a little bit blue, but still has a pretty cool look to it. And let's give you a 360 on them. What's that thing? The green thing?
Many things, yes.
That's an octagonal the creeper. See? Yeah. The creeper.
It's a creeper.